Today I'm going to be reviewing this 4-set nail clip. So in this set you get 4 items. In this set you get the piece of the acrylic nail tip clipper. You also get the nail cuticle nipper and also the cuticle pusher, and also for the dead skin remover you have that also. You have a very good grip so that it's not slipping off. You do have a nice cuticle cutter. It works really well, very ergonomically correct. And here you can also change up the blade by unscrewing this, and you'll be able to change up the blade. I like the presentation of it. You get a good trimming because the jaw of the cuticle is streamless. Over here you can actually change the shape of the nail cutting, so you can cut it in different ways. You can make round cuts, you can make straight cuts, you can make different cuts that you want. You can make it from here. You can use it for different things. You can use it in the salon, you can use it at home. It's a great gift set for anyone that wants to have it. I love the ombre color of it, and I think it's absolutely amazing.